Hello guys, and welcome to Math Made Easy with Mr. T. Welcome! Hello guys, today we are going to discuss all about proportion. Our objectives are: I can define a proportion as a statement of equality between two ratios. I can analyze two ratios to determine if they are proportional to one another. What is a proportion? Basically, a proportion is just two ratios that are equal. Like this example, 2/3 is equal to 4/6. So this is an example of proportion. And at the same time, 10/15 is also equal or proportion to 2/3. Just like that. Let's have an example. We have here one pack of pens. We can write it as 1/22. Why 1/22? Because one pack consists of 22 pens. And it is equal to 2/44. Two packs are equal to 44 pens. It is an example of proportion. Just like that. Now, let's have another example. We have 2/3. We have two boxes of pizzas that you can eat in 3 weeks. And if you ate 4 boxes of pizzas, you can consume it in 6 weeks. This is an example of proportion. They are equal. Just like that. Let us solve proportion. Here we have one box of pens. One box is 12 pens. Equal to 2, or we don't know how many pens. Let's use n as the variable. Okay? 2 boxes. How many pens? Let's solve this. How are we going to solve this? First, let's try to write it like this. 1/12 equals 2/n. The n there are the pens. We are going to look for the answer. How many pens are there if we have 2 boxes? How are we going to answer this? Easy. Don't forget the cross multiplication guide. Okay, first, write the equal sign there. Okay, and the multiplication signs. Okay, then now let's put the cross multiplication guide. Okay, n times 1. We multiply it. Okay, the other one. Okay, 12 times 2. See, if you have a guide, it's a lot easier. Now, we can just simply answer it. N times 1 will give us 1n or n. Then just bring down the equal sign. 12 times 2 is 24. You got it. Our answer is 24. 2 boxes, meaning we have 24 pens. Just like that. You got it. Let's have another example. Here is a map of Gallup. And the ratio, we have 1 inch. For every inch in this map, it is equal to 1 mile. So what we're going to do is to find how many miles this red circle going to this red circle on the right side. Okay? So how are we going to do that? First, let's write the things that we already knew, the given. 1 mile is equal to 1 inch. Okay? Or 1 inch is equal to 1 mile. Same thing. Okay? Then, we don't know the miles. Okay? Or let's put A as the variable. Okay? Now, let's measure the inches in this map. Okay? We have 7 inches. Okay. So, we need to solve for the miles. Okay, how are we going to do that? Simply by using cross multiplication. 1 times 7 equals 1 times A. Just like that, we used the cross multiplication guide. That will make our computation a lot easier. Now let's solve it. 1 times A, 1A or A. 1 times 7 is 7. That's it. Our answer is A equals 7 or 7 miles. Just like that. You got it. Let's solve this. 3 over n equals 3 over 7. How are we going to answer this? Oh, I'm going to use the cross multiplication guide. There you go. There you go. Just like that. Then we write the equal sign. Then write n times 3. Good. And on the other side, we can write 3 times 7 or 7 times 3. That's it. Now, let's solve it. N times 3, we have 3n. 3 times 7, we have 21. Okay, we got it. And we're not yet done. We still need to isolate the variable n. How are we going to do that? By multiplying, by dividing 3 on both sides. Just like that. That will cancel 3, isolating our variable n. Then, copy the equal sign. And what's the answer? When we divide 21 to 3, the answer is 7. That's it. N equals 7. Just like that. Let's solve this again. 2 over n minus 2 equals 3 over n plus 7. How are we going to solve this? Easy! By using the cross multiplication guide. Just like that. Then, let's write the equal sign. Then, write n minus 2 times 3. You got it. And how about the other side? Yep, 2 times n plus 7. That's it. Oh, we're not yet done. What are we going to do? First, let's distribute this. Okay? There you go. N minus 2 times 3, we have 3n minus 6. And how did we get that answer? By simply distributing 3. Okay? And let's copy the equal sign. And we're going to do the same thing on this right side. Okay, let's distribute 2 times n, 2 times 7. And we have 2n plus 14. Just like that. Okay? But we're not yet done. We need to combine like terms. And how are we going to do that? By adding negative 2, by adding negative 2n on both sides. See? Just like that. Okay? That will cancel 2n. Okay? And let's bring down 14. Okay? And the answer to 3n minus 6 plus negative 2n, the answer is 1n minus 6, or we can simply write it n minus 6. Don't forget to write the equal sign, okay? We're not yet done. We need to isolate our variable n, but there's still negative 6 there. What are we going to do? Let's add positive 6, okay? Positive 6, when we add 6 or something on the left side, do it on the opposite side, or in this case on the right side. So let's add 6 also on the right side. That will cancel 6, isolating n. Okay? And the next step, 14 plus 6, 20. That is our answer. N equals 20. Just like that. You got it. Let's do this. Let's have a word problem. Okay? The currency in the Philippines is pesos. If I exchange $20 at the airport, how many pesos will I get in return? If the exchange rate is $1 equals 49 pesos. Let's solve this. We have the given $1 equals 49 pesos, or pesos in UK. Equals, okay, let's copy dollar and pesos, okay? So the given, we have $20, and we need to know the equivalent amount in pesos. So let P stand as the variable, okay? So what's our next step? Yes, you got it. We are going to use the cross multiplication guide, okay? Okay, just like that. So 1 times P, okay, and the other side, okay, 49 times 20. Okay, see? Very easy, right? Then, let's just answer this. Let's just solve this. 1 times P, the answer is 1P, or let's simply write it P. And bring down the equal sign, or copy the equal sign. 49 times 20, the answer is 980. That's it. If you have $20, its equivalent pesos is 980. That's it. You got it. Now, it's your turn.
Solve 6 over a equals 3 over 4. Timer starts now. I'll give you 30 seconds. Okay, let's solve this. Let's do the cross multiplication, and we have the following guides. Cross multiplication guide, crisscross. So let's write the equal sign. First step, a times 3. Second, 6 times 4. Just like that. Copy again the equal sign, and let's simplify it, or let's answer it. Let's solve it. A times 3, we have 3a. 6 times 4, we have 24. And since the variable has still number with it, what we're going to do, we're going to remove it by dividing 3 on both sides. That will cancel 3, isolating our variable a, copy the equal sign, and let's just answer 24 divided by 3, which is 8. That's it. Just like that. A equals 8. Let's solve this again. Or your turn. 3 over x minus 3 equals 4 over x plus 6. Timer starts now. You have 30 seconds. Time's up. Let's solve this. So we're gonna put first crisscross, or the multiplication, cross multiplication. So we can answer like this: x minus 3 times 4. The other one, 3 times x plus 6. That is our first step. Just like that. Easy, right? And we need to distribute this. 4 times x, 4 times negative 3, which gives us 4x minus 12. And let's do this on the other side. 3 times x, 3 times 6. And that gives us 3x plus 18. And let's put the variables together by subtracting negative 3x on the right side. Do that on the left side also. Okay? And that will cancel 3x. Okay? Isolating 18. Okay, let's just put it there. And the answer, 4x minus 12 minus or plus negative 3x, the answer is x minus 12. Okay? You can write it there, 1x minus 12 or x minus 12. It's the same thing. Okay? We're not done yet because there's still negative 12 with the variable. Again, we need to isolate it by adding 12 on both sides. Okay? Easy, right? So, that cancels 12. Okay? Isolating x. There you go. And just copy the equal sign and the answer 18 plus 12, which gives us 30. That's it. Our answer, x equals 30. You got it. Now let's have this word problem. The currency in Japan is yen. If I exchange $25 at the airport, how many yen will I get in return? Exchange rate is $1 equals 104.79 yen. Timer starts now. You have 50 seconds to answer this. Okay, let's solve this. Let's check your answer. First, we have to write what we know. A dollar is equal to 104.79 yen. Let's put the equal sign and the same thing, dollars and yen. Do we know dollars? Yes, $25. But do we know yen? No. So our yen will become the variable y, okay, because we don't know it. Now let's solve it by cross multiplication. Okay, 1 times y, just like that. And the other one, don't forget to write the equal sign. 104.79 times 25. And let's just answer it. Y, 1 times y equals y, or 1y. Okay? And 104.79 times 25, the answer is 2,619.75. That's it. That's our answer. For your $25, you have 2,619.75 yen. That's it. Just like that. Thanks for watching. Always remember, stay safe and healthy.